Hello everyone and welcome to this course on generative AI. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It is transforming the industries today. From creating content and automating tasks to revolutionizing the healthcare, finance and other industries, generative AI is reshaping the way we work and innovate. In this course, we will dive deep into the fundamentals of AI and machine learning. Also, we will explore cutting edge tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, MidJourney, and much more, and understand how AI can enhance your creativity, efficiency, and the decision making. You will get hands on experience with real world applications. You can discover the ethical considerations and learn how to implement AI into your career or organization. Whether you are a developer, a content creator, business leader, or just AI curious, this course will equip you with the knowledge and skills to leverage the generative AI effectively. So, if you are ready to stay ahead in the AI driven world, let's get started. Thank you. Hello and welcome to the exciting world of generative AI. Imagine AI helping your company design innovative products, create compelling market campaigns, document summarization, or even analyze data to uncover new opportunities. In every industry, generative AI is revolutionizing how business innovate and grow. Let's explore how we can transform it and help you to transform your world. Generative AI is a game changer. It is not just about analyzing or categorizing the data, it is about creating new. While discriminative models they focus on sorting and identifying, generative models can ask the bold questions such as what can we imagine or what can we bring to life. From breathtaking art forms to lifelike voices, generative AI is the ultimate creative companion. Let's break it down and uncover how generative AI really works. First, there are generative models that are the core of all. They create new data, whether it is images, music, or entire virtual machines. Imagine a machine dreaming something entirely new. Then we have the discriminative models. They play the detective role, like identifying the patterns and telling us what's what, like classifying photos of cats versus dogs. Then there are the latent variables. These are hidden dimensions, the secret sauce that lets AI understand the essence of data and add creativity to the output. And finally, we have likelihood, the mathematical magic that helps AI evaluate how close its creation are to real world data. It's like a fine tuning a masterpiece. Together, these concepts make generative AI a powerful tool for innovation and creativity, unlocking possibilities we once thought impossible. Generative AI is revolutionizing the industries worldwide. In L&D and education, AI creates personalized learning experiences, generating courses content, and tutoring students. Human resources is leveraging AI for smarter recruitment, resume screening, and employee engagement. Marketing is also being transformed with AI generated ads, personalized campaigns, and content creation. In banking and finance, AI enhances the fraud detection, it automates the transaction, and predicts the market trends. Retail benefits from AI driven recommendations, virtual try ons, and demand forecasting. Likewise, risk and compliance teams they use AI for fraud detection and regulatory monitoring. At last, we have cybersecurity that is also getting stronger with AI detecting the threats and preventing the cyber attacks in real time. From businesses to security, generative AI is shaping the future. Now let's see what's further in the course. Next, we will explore the history of AI, ML and DL, setting the foundation of generative AI's rise. Then we will dive into the LLMs like ChatGPT and Bard, showing how they generate text and transform the industries. You will also learn prompt engineering techniques to craft better AI interactions, followed by a deep dive into GANs, VAEs, and transformers, the technology behind AI creativity. From text, image, video, and audio generation to AI powered coding and automation, we will showcase it all. Finally, we will explore trends and industry use cases to see where AI is headed next. Excited? Let's jump into the next module. Thank you.